So far, we have seen how to use the CSV file, how to load the CSV file in Power BI Desktop. In today's session, we will see the uh, Excel and the SQL Server. Excel is all same; it's not much difference. We're working on it. Let's wait for a few seconds. Excel work. Something like I have an Excel file by the name of append one. I just open the append one. It's pretty simple. The Excel file, same as your SQL, not much difference. Okay, that file, so I'm getting this error. Okay, append one, when I load it, I'm getting this error. Okay, so this one will scare you when you see this. Okay, here what happens is database in OLEDB provider may be required to read append one.xls. This is because of the version. Excel is the older version. I just go to the OS. And then here I just go to the that one folder. That one folder. I have something called append one. I'll be opening up this one, and I'm going to save this as .xls file. Okay, I just click on this one, save as the Excel one. The default one is, yeah, Excel already exists. Okay, I should have opened that one right instead of Excel.xls. I just click on it, append one. The two append one for same files are there. Okay, you just see here, and if you can scroll towards the right side. Yeah, the second one. Okay, not the 97 2003. I think this is the one. Okay, otherwise you can choose it here. Okay, yeah, it will show. Okay, 1 second. That one shows all the files. Now it got open. So in that Excel file, I have two sheets are there. I'm going to select the sales sheet, and on the right side you can see, or if you want to see what is the content, then foreign sales, right? Or else we'll load the foreign sales. Okay, I just hit load. Very simple. Only thing is you need to use .xlsx file, and if you get the file, the older version of the file like .xls, you need to rename it as .xlsx. So you should know how to troubleshoot in case of any error comes, how to deal with that. Since we know that issue and solution, it made our life simple. Otherwise, you need to do, keep Googling it. Fine. Okay. Next one is Excel and CSV file. And what we'll do is, yeah, a lot of things are there. We'll see that one also. We will explore SQL Server, how to connect to SQL Server. Okay. I just go here. SQL Server is not there here. I just save this file.